Guys, I know it's been a while, but we're back and better than ever. Today is Artomobilia. I got here early for a change, finally. And look at what we see already. Can't make this up. GTS. Can't make this up at all. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. We got a lineup of classic cars. Man, it still amazes me to this day how these things were created. Just big, bulky, smooth, white walls. Yeah, incredible stuff, man. I look at something like this and I just think to myself, who would have thought of doing something like this? I'm mad that they don't do this anymore, because this looks beautiful. I've always loved stuff like this. Bagpipes playing in the background. I'm mad that they don't do this anymore with cars. I feel like they need to bring this back. We got a whole lineup of Indy cars, old and new. We got a Plymouth Superbird over there. I forgot, this place can be humongous, but we're gonna start over here. Oh my gosh, seeing this reminds me, we need to go to this track. I totally forgot about that track in this car. We're supposed to be making a vlog with this car. Well, we was, but we still are. Just wait for it. Well, the sun came back out. Pristine Auto Spot got a whole lineup of cars. Y'all, from the Cybertruck to the Artura to the first SVJ that we see of the day to the second one in purple. I kid you not, I don't know which one's better, the blue or the purple. But let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Also, 812 GTS. Yeah, the red is popping on this 812. That is immaculate. Also, black GT3 RS. Absolutely, this lineup is insane. And to no surprise, we got another GT3 RS, one of my favorite cars of all time. That thing sounds crazy. Yellow Porsche on the wing. Oh my goodness. Now, as great as all these cars are, guys, this is Artomobilia. You already know exactly where I'm heading to, and that is the Lotus section. All right, we got one Esprit. We got two Esprits. We even got the new Emira. This color, is this like blue or gray?
Oh, it still works.
The trees are kind of covering the color, but that looks extremely smooth. I love that. This car is so much fun to be in. We got another Emira. Also, we got our third Esprit. I'm literally just counting how many Esprits I can see. This is literally my, I mean, you guys should already know my second favorite dream car of all time. Come on now, and we've seen 3 of them so far. Joseph in his Lotus Evora. Hey, that purple is giving the SVJ a run for its money. Oh my God, just look at this lineup down here. It literally never stops. Just a whole lineup of Elises, some Exeges, like, it's literally not stopping. I love this so much. This is literally a field day for me right now. 3 more Emiras. Bro, it's not stopping. And then a whole other fleet of Lotuses. Literally, old school Vet and a Maserati, but like, y'all, this is crazy. Look at the wheels on that one. Oh my goodness. Check out the neon right here. That's crazy. And look at the engine bay. Neon as well. Bro. I love this. This reminds me of GTA 5. That looks like, don't get me wrong, the color on this is like really nice, but the neon on here is just giving GTA, but I love it. We got our 4th Esprit over there, and if I'm not mistaken, Sam, I found your lease R. We meet again. Oh my goodness, it's always a pleasure to see this car. Literally saw this car like 2 weeks ago when I was in Bloomington. I was legit working and I saw him out driving, and I was like, wow, divine timing. Y'all, I've literally walked at least a quarter mile, and it's Lotus after Lotus after Lotus after Lotus. Oh my goodness, I think I saw this one at Gator. Did I? I did, because I remember that color. Oh my goodness, we got more over here, bro. This is I'm getting stressed out. Oh, okay, that's why, because Gator's right there. Yep, that makes more sense. That's the SUV that almost made me pass out. We'll get to that one in a second. But Ibora. Some more Elises. Oh my goodness, this is so overwhelming. All right, we're on the other side. We got another fleet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's the fourth Esprit that we've seen. We've seen about 4 Esprits now. God, this is so much. That other mirror over there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just think of Midnight Club every time I see a Lotus Esprit. Someday, one day, I'm going to be driving one of these. Don't know when, but it will happen. Yeah, this SUV brings back some memories. I don't know if I want to call them pleasant or unpleasant, but if you know, you know. This thing right here is dangerous. Okay, I'm going to be real with y'all. Camry GT is insane. I know it's got a Toyota engine in it, but that is insane to say. This is probably one of my favorite specs though. Traditional green with the yellow on there. With the wing on there. Yeah, that looks crazy. Oh my god, how long was I gone? I was gone for like 20 minutes over at that little section, and all this pulls up. I don't even know what to say. The specs on these Lambos are just insane. I love this. It's like giving like colorful supervillain right now. F12, GT. What else is over here? 48s. Yes, we got an SF90. Rare sighting, rare sighting. I still think this is like a hypercar type of like on the verge of being a hypercar. That didn't even make sense. People say this is a hypercar. People say this ain't a hypercar. Just know it's quick. This thing is extremely quick. Not as quick as that Lotus, but it's up there. Wow. Didn't even know they had another STO. Black and yellow. Oh my goodness. The color specs on these STOs are insane, bro. GT3 RS, by the way, over there, and a 48 Pista. So this is a nice little trio. Yeah, I like this. See? See what happens when you dip for like 20 minutes, then you come back, and then everything is just here. Also, Ian's GTR. Oh man, this is a lot to soak in. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying my hardest to get every car, but we can't get them all, but we can get the ones that really matter. Yeah, this car is a villain. Enzo Who. That's a super villain right there. Alright y'all, quick update. I just walked like another quarter mile down this road because I was already here at the start. There's a lot of old schools, and I totally forgot about the Porsches. Oh y'all, I totally forgot about the Porsches. Alright, let's keep walking. Now, if this ain't the craziest speedster I've ever seen, I don't know what is. Look at the colors on this. I love this. Look at the seats. Bro. And in the back, with the matching blue engine bay. I don't even know what to say. Other than I hope this ain't the chassis James Dean died in. Because if so, it's beautiful, but it's still cursed. But yeah, that thing is crazy. Also, Porsche tractor. I thought Lamborghini was the only one that had the tractors. I guess Porsche do too. So we got a lineup of Porsches. We got a special thing happening over there with like a restoration challenge. I'll get to that in a second. We got all the wide bodies, but then we got this one just out here, just alone. Oh my goodness, look at the spec on this. This is like my ideal spec. Red and black, evil. Remember when I said that STO looks like a villain? Yeah, this one's a villain too. Cause look at that. That's like, this is like Phantom Menace right here. That is crazy. Oh, okay. Ka-chow. Yeah. I feel like that works better with the Camaro, but for the Porsche, it'll work too. Yeah, I think I'm picking this. I know that SBJs are cool and stuff and like the colors, but it's something about Porsches, bro. It's this right here, or a GT2 RS. Alright, back to where the wild things are. Just a whole lot of wide body Porsches. And I believe these are all in the same collection. I'm trying to figure out who owns all of these cars, because I definitely need a garage tour. Because I think whoever owns these cars got a lot more. But hey, one can only dream about stuff like this. This is insane. Y'all, I'm speechless. I don't know which one's better now, the red and black or the blue and white. I think I might go with the blue and white. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, nah, I think this is beating the red and black one. Definitely. I don't got no words, bro. Yeah, nah. Y'all keep them SVJs. Give me GPRS. Period, point blank. I think it's safe to say this Porsche lineup is longer than the Lotus. And it's not even close. The Lotus one to me is still better. But, bro, we still got all of these over here too. Like, what is going on? This is too many. This is so overwhelming. This is so overwhelming. But we got a GT3.
They made them like
Cayman, like it's literally every single Porsche known to man that's over here, except for like the racing cars. But yeah, man, I love it. Oh my God! First of all, I've seen this one before, so good to see this one again. Look at that! Oh, the livery.
Especially because he's just
the body.
He's just a short, skinny
Oh,
white
the
guy with
wheels.
an afro.
Oh, the inside. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm taking this to the track. This is definitely a track toy right here.
I have another friend who was a friend. Like old race band, like back in
Oh my God. What a way to end up the lineup though. BMW section, favorite Beamer of all time, hands down. M8 got everything beat. Don't argue with me. The M8 has everything beat. Don't argue with me. Look at the wheels. Look at the front. This is like the most beautiful BMW I think I've ever seen. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, nah, bro. Y'all can keep the M2s, M3s, M4s. Give me the M8. Like I said, I don't got nothing against the M2, M3. M8 came off like I did, but these are still some nice looking Beamers, but just the M8. And this generation M4, the previous generation M4, are like my top two. Literally. This purple is amazing too. This purple is amazing. Purple cars are beating everything right now, except for the GT3 RS. The new M4 is something crazy too. But like I said, the M8 just got everything beat by a tad bit. Other than that though, yeah, all of these Beamers are nice. Literally, all of them. Just the M8's better. Oh, how far down does this go? I've literally walked a mile. And now we got Audis. Oh my God, this is too much. I spotted a couple allies down this road, but making our way through the line of Audis. RS6, yeah, it's probably, besides the R8, it's probably my other favorite Audi of all time. Speaking of R8s, with the front popped up, when I see this cup car, I know this is the end of the little lineup, so you know what that means, and I hate to say it, we gotta walk back.
Are you waiting for us?
It should be in our showroom in about 2 weeks and available for sale. They did a really good job with it. Coordinated the flyover for it, so I mean they did good. So without any more talking about it, here it is.
Oh, that's it. That's it. Look at that.
I'll open it up. Feel free to take a look inside of it.
It came back. What in the world is going on? All these Porsches restored, and then we picking which one's the best. I love that. I think I went for the Speedster low-key. The donuts, but I'm gonna pass. Yeah, I love this little lineup. God, it's so much stuff going on. Flyovers, like air show, car show, 2 for the price of 1.
Everybody walks by the Porsches.
Oh my goodness. Hiding in plain sight. Going doors from the X, but things just be out hiding. Literally. GTRs. Man. What is going on, bro? Never get tired of right-hand cars. The wheels are like yeah. You already know we got to have one of these. Y'all, it's so much going on. I'm going to have to turn my camera off in a minute because my battery is dying, but we got another Viper. Oh man, I wish the hood was down, but I'm seeing like all my favorites right now. Like we're seeing all of our favorites today, and I'm loving that right now. This thing in orange, I'm seeing all my favorite colors. So I want all my favorite cars. Like this, like I said before, this is a field day. This thing is crazy. This thing is freaking crazy. I've always loved Vipers, bro. It's like one of the most craziest looking American supercars. Oh, I wish they make them again. Been out here for hours. Just had a great talk with the guy with this Viper. Oh man, that's like the highlight of the show. One of the highlights of the show. Seen some gems today, but I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog. It was just so much going on, y'all. I couldn't get everything, but oh man, look at them old schools. Yeah, no, I've been out here since like 10. Hey, besides the Regal GNX, the IROCs, like my other favorite muscle car of the 80s. This thing is a little, I don't know about this spec, but yes, the IROCs and the Regals. I totally forgot about this Super Bowl. Oh my goodness, this thing is so long I can't even put it in the camera. Pause. But did I see this last year? I'm trying to remember. Either way, I mean, my goodness. That thing is insane, bro. My face is back. We are back. We're back to Brutus. Hey, I was out of commission for like a month. My car needed a water pump, but we're back. I'm gonna try to film as much as possible now. But yeah, that was an interesting show. Like, this is what, my 3rd time being here now. It's a field day. It's a legit field day. Like, wish I was a kid again, but hey, adults gotta have their field days too. Porsche section was crazy. Lotus section was crazy. The whole German fleet section was crazy. All of the exotics were pristine. Was like 2 SVJs, and then we get SF90 like a little further down, and then a 48 pistol. Like this is like the Midwest version of Monterey, low key. But yeah, hey, hopefully we're doing another vlog tomorrow. I got something lined up for y'all. In the meantime, I think the Xfinity race is on, so I need to catch that. And I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything since yesterday afternoon. With that being said, this vlog is over, and I'm out. Peace.